Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to tell you about 7 hidden features of Apple Watch Series 5. Now the first thing that I want to talk about is how you can double press this dial here to go back to your recent app. Now you can set this functionality with the side button as well, but you can switch between the recent apps or the favorite apps with this side button. But if you double press the dial here, you can always go back to your last used app. So if I double press it, it will take me to my last app, and then if I double press it again, it will take me to the app that I was using before it. So if I continue to double press it, it will continue to switch between the last two apps that I use. Now moving on to the next feature, if your watch face is turned off like this, you can actually rotate this dial very slowly to increase the brightness of the watch face, and then at this moment you can actually increase or decrease it and control it. So you can use this feature if you are in a dimly lit environment and you don't want to disturb the environment of the room with the bright watch face. So you can really slightly rotate the bezel and look at the time or whatever notifications you've received or whatever complication information that you want to look at, and then you can simply dial it back down and it will turn off. Now once you have gone on to increase it to the full brightness, then you cannot increase or decrease the brightness. Next up, if you have a lot of notifications in your notification panel, you can remove them one by one, or what you can do is you can just force touch on the notification panel and you can then tap clear all, and it will clear all your notifications at the same time. Moving on, if you swipe up, you get this option here, which if you tap, it will make your iPhone to make noise, so you know where your iPhone is. But if you tap and hold it there, what it will do is that it will not only make your iPhone make noise, but it will also make it flash its LED. So let's go ahead and try it again. So there you go. Now moving on to the next feature, you can also change the view of your app launcher here. So right now it's in the grid view, but here what you can do is you can force touch on your apps here and you can shuffle between either grid view or list view. So if you don't like the grid view, you can always go to the list view, and then again if you force touch it, you can always go back to the grid view. Moving on, you can also restart your Apple Watch Series 5. So what you have to do is you have to press the dial and the side button at the same time. So if you press and hold them, your watch will restart. So there you go. So you can use this feature in case if the watch is stuck or it freezes on any app or something like that, you can always force restart your watch. And lastly, I want to talk about the active icons that you get on the top of the watch face whenever there is an active process or an app running in the background. So for example, if you are working out and you have uh, a workout app working in the background, so if I go in the workout and start a workout and then go back, I will see this workout icon on the top here. So I can also tap on the icon here to go back in the app. So there you go. So these icons are actually active icons. You can tap on them to go back into the app. Now this is also true for the music app. So if you have music running on the app, or you're controlling your music from the app, you will get the music icon on top of the watch face, which you can tap and go into the music app and control your music. So that's about it from this video, guys. Those were the 7 hidden features of Apple Watch Series 5. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.